welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. I know it's been a little bit since I uploaded a video. I did take a little break. I was just not feeling it for some reason. I was feeling a little discouraged, but I said, you're not gonna keep moving up if you don't keep going. So I said I'm gonna start fresh in July, start uploading again, and try to change things up a little bit because I really do enjoy YouTube. I enjoy Instagram and I love my beauty boxes. So, you know, I do this for me. And if, you know, other people get some kind of joy from it too, then that's all that matters to me. So I wanted my Beautyfix box to kick off my little refresh here. So this is the Beautyfix for July 2019, and this is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's a little bit more on the pricey side because it is $24.95 a month, but you get so many different products. You do get occasionally some tiny little samples, but you get anywhere from 6 to 10 products. There's always at least one full size in here. It is mainly a skincare box, some hair care. I mean, you'll get some makeup here and there, but it is mainly a skincare box. What I love about Beautyfix is that if you don't want to subscribe for the monthly box, you can actually purchase the box one time for $34.95. So still not bad considering what the value is. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I got. So I already opened up this box. I wanted to make sure all my products were in here because I had an issue, I believe it was last month, that I was missing a product. But Dermstore was great because they resent me the whole box. So I did open it up, make sure everything was in there. I also gave a little bit of a breakdown of prices because they don't give prices. But the theme of the month is Getaway Glam. On the other side, they always give you a little coupon because if you go to dermstore.com/beautytravel, you can shop the full-size items, and if you use the code TRAVEL, you can save up to 20%. Now, I do love shopping on dermstore.com because if you have an account, number one, you earn points. So there are so many times that I earn like $10 rewards so that I could redeem those for whatever products I want. And also, if you add certain products to your favorites, you'll get 10% off just for adding that to your favorites, and then you get free shipping. So example, my Hum Nutrition Daily Cleanse, I always order it from dermstore.com because I get a few bucks off and I get free shipping. So I really highly recommend, if you purchase certain items, check dermstore.com because you don't have to have that subscription, but you can still create an account and take advantage of their store. The inside, of course, will have all your products, and like I said, I gave a breakdown. This month, we actually got a total of 11 products, and yeah, there's gonna be some tiny ones here, but I will show you what I received. So let's get into it. So here's the first product. It is a full size. This is from Juice Beauty, and it's the SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's actually from the Blemish Clearing Collection. It says, keep skin clear, hydrated, and protected, whether you're on the beach or roaming city streets. 2 fluid ounces, and now Juice Beauty has like a very interesting scent to it. It's very natural, kind of citrusy. I like Juice Beauty products. I'm not like over the moon for them, but I think that the ingredients are really, really good. It does have a safety seal, so that's always good. The value of this is actually $30. Your box is already paid for. The next thing is from this brand, 100% Pure. I have tried makeup wipes from this brand that I received as an add-on with FabFitFun, but this is the Bright Eyes Mask Single. Now, these are pretty pricey because on the Dermstore site, you can just purchase this one set here for $7, and I find that to be pretty expensive for one set of eye masks. If you want 5 pairs, then that's $30. I would hope that they're pretty good because they are expensive. Okay, this next thing here is something I've never heard of. It's from a brand called Arcona. It's a cranberry gommage. Free up space in your beauty bag with this 3-in-1 exfoliator, cleanser, and toner. This is a 1 ounce size. You could purchase the 3.4 ounce size for $48, so it's definitely pricey. It says purifying cranberry exfoliant cleanses, tones, and decongests enlarged pores, leaving skin visibly clearer, smoother, and more refined. Brighten and resurface skin with zeolite and blueberry enzymes. Unclog and minimize the appearance of pores with cranberry and raspberry enzymes. Leave skin purely polished and glowing. This next little bottle here, I've actually been wanting to try this, but it did not get good reviews. Not many at all. This is from the brand called This Works. This brand actually creates that deep sleep pillow spray, which I love. But this is the In Transit Camera Close-Up. So it says it's a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. Now this is only a 0.51 fluid ounce size. You can purchase the full size, which is 1.35 ounces, and it's $55. So yeah, this is definitely a pricey brand, but like I said, this got some like iffy reviews. It says apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. This is definitely a repeat. I'm 99% sure we've received this before in this box. This is from DP Hue, and this is the apple cider vinegar hair rinse. I think we got this a few times in here. I've actually purchased the full size of this. I love this. This completely transforms your hair. It's a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. The 8.5 ounce size is $35. So yeah, it's pricey. This says it's 2 to 4 uses. I may get about that out of this, because what I'll do is I'll use this more so on the top of my head, my scalp, let it sit, but then I still go in with the regular shampoo and conditioner. They say that you can use this as a substitute, but for me it just doesn't work in that way for my hair, so I do have to still go in with my regular shampoo and conditioner. But either way, when I use this on top of it, it just completely transforms my hair. It doesn't have a very overpowering apple cider vinegar scent, but it does have that scent, of course. But I definitely recommend trying this, but it's a small one at 1 fluid ounces. I have pretty long hair, but I should be able to get about 2 to 4 uses like it says. This next thing I'm actually really excited to try. I've heard pretty good things about these wipes, and this is the Kojin Do Cleansing Spa Water Wipes. We are actually receiving 10 wipes in this pack, and it's pretty thick, so they must be pretty thick wipes. I love makeup wipes. I have so many. This I am definitely happy to see. I think they're very practical. There are 10 in here, like I said, but the 30 count is $48. Would I ever spend that much on wipes that I'm gonna throw out? No way. That's crazy expensive, so they better be some really good wipes. And then we got a pretty good size in this Bioderma Sensitive Bio Foaming Gel Cleanser. This is a 1.5 fluid ounce size. We definitely received this once before, but we got the, I believe it was the blue one. I do like this brand. This is actually my favorite micellar water, the Bioderma brand. This one is for sensitive skin, and it soothes and moisturizes. It's fragrance-free, soap-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic. It says new climates can mess with your skin. This gentle wash helps alleviate rosacea, flare-ups, and hypersensitivity. The smallest size, they have different sizes you could purchase. So the smallest size is 3.33 ounces, and it's $9.90. This is a very reasonably priced brand. This is also something else that we've received. This is from Hum Nutrition. These are the Beauty Z's. Now, I'm not mad about this at all because these are so good. We received the Daily Cleanse little packet before, and we definitely received the Beauty Z's. They only gave us a 3-night sample when there's been times that we've received a 6-day sample. They're really good. They're not expensive because you can get a 30 count for $10, and you can get these at Sephora or even the Dermstore.com. These definitely help you go to sleep, and it's that mix of melatonin and vitamin B6 that really helps. If you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, this definitely works good. And this little tiny thing that I could barely read the lettering on it, this reminds me of like a Sephora Play sample, no joke. It's so tiny. It's from a brand I haven't heard of either. It's Amazing Cosmetics. It's the Amazing Concealer. It says stay photo ready wherever you are with this smooth and creamy full coverage concealer. This is a 0.07 fluid ounce size. It is so tiny. The full size is 0.2 ounces, and it's $28. Now, the only thing about sending a little concealer like this, oh my God, look at the look how tiny, I can't even see that, is that this is not for everybody because the shade is medium beige. Not everybody's gonna be able to use it. This is either gonna be too dark or too light for people. This might actually be too light for me. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't have a safety seal, so this is how it opens. I don't like that. I don't know. I wish it had a safety seal. It's so small that they probably didn't have a seal small enough. Now that it's open, let me swatch it. Okay, you see, so it does say on the back that all you need is like the tiniest amount and that it's a celebrity makeup artist's favorite. So this is the shade. So like I said, it's not going to work for everybody. It feels very nice. Wow. Okay. Kind of looks a little, I don't know, shimmery. I don't know. It could be my camera. But that went on a lot smoother and lighter than I thought. And it blended really, really well. I know I only put a little tiny bit, but wow. The shade match looks pretty good. I mean, it's not completely full coverage, but again, I only put a little bit. But wow, okay, all right, I'm a little impressed. I didn't expect that. This is a variation product, so everybody was receiving an Ico London mascara, but you were either getting this one here, which is the Sport Waterproof Mascara, which is, it says Catch and Curl, or if you didn't get this one, you were receiving the Yoga one. They're both waterproof. I've tried the Yoga one. I've tried the Beach one. I really like Ico. Okay, so this is half of the full size because the full size is 8 milliliters, which is $22.50. So this is valued at $12.25. What you can do is you take the wand out and you can use this as an eyeliner. So because the mascara, you can squeeze this tube, you can get a little bit of the mascara to go up in the tube, get an eyeliner brush, and you can use it as like a gel or liquid eyeliner. I'm not really so into waterproof mascaras because they're so difficult to come off, but this is going to be good just for, you know, summertime. And then the last but not least is definitely a repeat. We've received this before and we've received this scent before. It's Juliet Has a Gun in Moscow Mule. I mean, this is a very, very lovely, lovely scent. It has notes of ginger, lime, and amber. It's very fresh, perfect for summer. I like the little box it comes in, but it's just a typical, you know, perfume sample. So that's it right there. Nothing crazy. So that is everything that came in my July Beautyfix box. Let me know what you think of this month's box, and if you receive it at all. I don't know if I'm completely impressed. I mean, it's nothing spectacular or different. I love that they're practical products. Like we get a SPF, a cleanser, face wipes, hair products. Like I do love the variety of products, but I feel like they sent a lot of the same brands. Actually, every month I feel like one of these brands is always in the box. And not that it's a bad thing, but I just wish it varied a little bit. This is a new brand. I've never seen this in here, so that's pretty cool. But, you know, it's just one of those things that, do I feel underwhelmed? Is it worth it? I don't know. I love this subscription, so I will definitely continue to get it. But let me know what you think down below in the comments. Do you think this was worth the $25? I know that the SPF was $30 on its own, but I'm on SPF overload, so I'm good with that. But keep a lookout for all of my upcoming videos for July. I am going to try to get them done more timely, in a timely manner. Also, follow me on Instagram. All my information for Instagram is down below. I completely slacked on Instagram too. I lost a bunch of followers, so I'm feeling a little down on that. But my Instagram, you know, I do like to post on Instagram too, so I'm going to get a little more active on there, at least try to. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!